Hello students, welcome back. In the previous video, I have given you 4 sums. So these are the 4 sums which we discussed earlier. Okay, not the solution but just the type of sum. Which question belongs to which type. Now we'll solve these questions in this video one by one. Okay, let's go to the first question. Convert 10 Newton into dyne. So we should know what is Newton, what is dyne. So I told you Newton is the SI system or MK system of force. Dyne is the CJ system of force. Okay. So here we need to convert which physical quantity? We need to convert force. Newton is not a physical quantity. It is a unit of force. In this system, MK system. Understood? Dyne is a unit of force. In this system, CJ system. We're getting it class? Okay. So which physical quantity we are converting? Force. The first job is find the dimension of that physical quantity. Every question. Why we are calculating dimension? Because in this formula, we need to calculate N2. Okay. Where we should, for calculating N2, we should know all the values. N1, N1, L1, L1, L2, T1, T2, A, B, C, सब चाहिए ना मेरे को. तो हमने M1, M2, L2 का वैल्यू तो डिस्कस कर लिया. M2, L2, T2 का वैल्यू भी डिस्कस कर लिया. लेकिन what is ABC? ABC is the dimensions of the physical quantity which we are converting. So which physical quantity we are converting here? Force. So find the dimension of force. So what is force? Mass and acceleration. Mass is kg, acceleration is meter per second square. So kg1 means mass m1, meter is length L1, second is time. So m का power जो है that is a. Here the student make mistakes. They do ulta pulta. They take L का power as a. It's not halwa. Always m का power will be a. Okay. So what is m का power? 1. A is 1. What is L का power? 1. B is 1. What is T का power? C. -2. C is -2. Okay. Now every question these steps are common. We know we need to find N2 because see N1 U1 N1 also known, U1 also known to you, U2 is also known. What I don't know कि 10 Newton equals to कितना dyne होगा that I don't know. So I need to calculate N2. So what is N2? Formula write down N1 M1 by M2 whole to power A, L1 by L2 whole to power B, T1 by T2 whole to power C. Okay. Till here every question is same. Next you have to draw 2 columns. System 1, System 2. System 1 we know it is MKS, write it down. System 2 we know it is CGS, dyne. System 2 write down CGS. If you don't know, if it is derived units, write down new system. If this is derived units, write down new system. Okay. Here we know it is MKS, so I am writing bracket MKS. Here we know it is CGS, we write the bracket CGS. Okay. Now सिस्टम 1 M1 L1 T1 क्या होगा 1 1 1 होगा क्योंकि स्टैंडर्ड सिस्टम है ना. तो M कैसे 1 kg 1 मीटर 1 सेकेंड और N1 कितना है. दिस इज N1 10. ओके. सो N1 इज 10. कितने को कन्वर्ट करना है 10 को कन्वर्ट करना है 10 न्यूटन को. सो N1 इज दिस 10 N1 U1 equals to N2 U2. So N1 is 10. Similarly system 2 M2 L2 T2 लिख दो. Now system 2 is what? Standard CJ से that means 1 1 1. CJ से that means gram 1 centimeter 1 second. N2 question mark that so we need to calculate. Now substitute all those values here in the formula. N2 N1 कितना 10 bracket M1 1 kg M2 1 gram whole to power A. A is 1. Again L1 by L2 L1 1 meter L2 1 centimeter whole to power B. B is 1. T1 by T2. T1 is 1 second. T2 is also 1 second. Whole to power C. C is -2. Now see. After this step, something new you will study now. Listen very carefully. अच्छे से सुनो. After substituting here till here, every question is same. You have to do it in this way only. All the sums. Now after converting, after substituting all the values at this point, you have to make them into same units. Now how to make them into same units? One is kg and this gram. तो क्या करो kg को ग्राम में बनाओ कि ग्राम को kg में बनाओ. Okay, then only we can make it in same units now. So always convert into smaller units. Out of kg and gram, which is the smaller unit? Gram. Okay, so हम kg को भी ग्राम में convert करेंगे. Understand? Always every question you convert into smaller units. किसमें convert करना है? स्मॉल यूनिट्स. तो यहाँ पे ना तुम एक एस्टेरिस्क मार के लिख सकते हो बड़ा बड़ा करके इन नोटबुक just to when you do a revision you can remember these things. We have to convert into smaller units. Okay, so 10 kg और ग्राम में से कौन स्मॉलर यूनिट्स है? ग्राम. तो इसको कन्वर्ट करो 1 kg 10 to power 3 ग्राम 1000 ग्राम पता है ना मेरे को. सो ग्राम ग्राम कट गया. Rest everything remains same. 1 meter in centimeter, which is smaller. Centimeter is smaller. Convert meter into centimeter. 100 centimeter. 10 square. Centimeter cancel हो. यहाँ पे तो दोनों यूनिट सेम था, तो कन्वर्जन का जरूरत नहीं है, कट जाएगा ऐसे. तो 1 to the power -2. The 1 to the power -2 is 1 only. 10 square. 10 cube to the power 1. Here also power is 1. 10 square to the power 1 is 10 square. 10 cube to the power 1 is 10 cube into 10. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 10 to the power 6. So what you got? N2 equals to 10 to the power 6. Therefore I can write N1 U1 10 Newton is equals to N2 10 to the power 6 U2 die. Always end the question is like this. N1 U1 equals to N2 U2. यहाँ पे कभी कोई स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे गलती करते हैं. सुन लो, दे हैव कैलकुलेटेड N2 यहीं पे लिख देते डाइन. ये पूरा गलत है फिजिक्स के हिसाब से. You are calculating N2. You cannot write dyne here. This is N2. Only the magnitude class. Understood? So we have to write at the end like this. 10 Newton equals to 10 to the power 6 dyne. Up. If you don't know these things, here तो it is standard. Dyne is standard. ऐसे questions में जहाँ पे मुझे नहीं पता, यहाँ पे लिखोगे new unit. When you don't know the unit name, write new unit. हो गया खत्म. Okay class. Let's go to the next question. Question number 2. Before going to question number 2, let me tell you one thing. Now, this question is a homework. Question number 3 is a homework. Total, एकदम same है. Joule I told you, MKS unit of energy, urge CGS unit of energy. So, यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? Dimension of energy निकालो. From the ABC we get, write on this. Then SI is MKS, this will remain same. In the place of N1, you will have 100 here. System 2 is CGS, urge. Again it will remain same, exactly same over. Then substitute all the values. Okay, how much you will get? You will get like this. See, I am telling you the answer. 100 joule will be equals to 10 to the power 7. 10 to the power 9 urge. ये आंसर आएगा. Okay, 100 joule equals to 10 to the power 9 urge आएगा. 10 to the power 9. So this question number 3 is your homework class. We will go for 2 and 4. Okay. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. So what is question number 2? When 1 meter, 1 kg and 1 minute are taken as fundamental units, comma, the magnitude of force is 36 units. What is the value of this force on CGS system? So the system which is given to you 36, जिसका वैल्यू मुझे पता है 36, और किस सिस्टम में पता है? New system. See, fundamental units are derived on my own. Okay, understood? And the system in which you need to convert, किसमें convert करना है? You need to convert this force value into CGS system. That means जिसमें convert करना है system 2, और जो given होता है वो system 1 होता है. Okay. Now, which physical quantity we are converting in? Force. The first is same as question number 1. Dimension of force. Calculate करो खुद से. From there we get m का power a. L का power B and T का power C. Okay, then write down the formula. Same what we did in the previous question. Now, system 1, जिससे value दिया हुआ है. So system 1 in which the value is given to, it's a new system. It's a derived system. So I'm writing a new system. In the previous question it was MKS. Okay. Now system 2 किस पे convert करना है? CGS. I write CGS. Now see. So system 1 M1, L1, T1, N1. Now what is M1? What is N2? What is T2? Since it is a new system, whatever is given in the question that I will write. So what is given for mass? 1 kg, I am writing 1 kg. For length, 1 meter, I am writing 1 meter. For time, 1 minute, so I am writing 1 minute. Because it is a new system, derived system है. तो जो दिया होगा वही लिखना है आपको क्लास. Now what is N1? इस सिस्टम में फोर्स का वैल्यू कितना है? 36. So I am writing N1 is 36. Okay. Now system 2. System 2 is standard. तो write a normal standard value M2 1 gram. CGS है ग्राम होगा. 1 centimeter 1 second. N2 question mark. We need to calculate. Okay. Now substitute all the values in the formula. Substitute कर दिया. L 1 kg by 1 gram to the power minus 1. 1 meter by 1 centimeter to the power 1. Not minus 1, 1. Huh? 1 minute by 1 second to the minus 2. Now at this step, what I told you, you have to convert everything into smaller units, right? Okay, kg or gram, small unit is gram. So convert kg into gram. 10 to the power 3 gram. Gram will cancel out to the power 1. Meter and centimeter. Centimeter is smaller. Convert meter into centimeter. 10 square, 100 centimeter. Centimeter will cancel out to the power 1. Here, minute is small or second is small? Minute is small. So convert minute into second. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. Second cancel to the power minus 2. Now you have to calculate. 10 to the power 3 whole to the power 1. 10 to the power 3, 10 square whole to the power 1. 10 square, 3 plus 2, add to the 10 to the power 5 into 60 whole to the power minus 2. Now, ये power minus 2 है तो नीचे चला जाएगा 60 to power 2. So when you solve it, 36 into 10 square आएगा. Solve it on your own. You got 10 to the power 3. Okay. So what is this 10 to the power 3? This is the value of N2, right? How to write the answer? N1 is 36. U1 units क्योंकि derived है ना units लिखूंगा सिर्फ equals to understand N2. How much you got N2? 33. Sorry, 10 to the power 3. U2 किस यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ रहा था? सीजीएस यूनिट में. सीजीएस यूनिट में फोर्स को क्या बोलते हैं? डाई. हो गया. ओके. नाउ इफ यू फॉरगेट, you should not be forgetting, but if you forget, you can write like this also. See here, 36 units is equals to 10 to the power 3 डाइन. नहीं आता, पता नहीं मेरे को डाइन बोलते कि क्या बोलते हैं, चुड़ैल बोलते हैं, डाइन बोलते हैं, आई डोंट नो. ठीक है ना? तो ठीक है, हमको ये तो पता है ना फोर्स कैसे लिखना पड़ता है. तो केजी की जगह क्या लिखूंगा? ग्राम सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. हो गया. ये भी लिखने से चलेगा. यू कैन राइट दिस आल्सो बिकॉज दिस इज डाइन ओनली. ओके, सीजे सिस्टम में लिख दो m1 l1 t minus 2 इन द प्लेस ऑफ m to the power 1 l to the power 1 t minus 2 minus 2. m की जगह क्या लिखोगे? ग्राम. l की जगह सेंटीमीटर. t की जगह सेकंड. सीजे सिस्टम में डाल दो उसको. हो गया. दैट आल्सो यू कैन डू. Understood class? Okay, now let's go to the question number 4. Okay, let's go to question number 4. Convert a power of 1 megawatt on a system whose fundamental units are 10 kg, 1 dm. This d is called deci. This mega, what are these? We will study now, okay? And 1 minute. So first try to understand this type of question. Case 1 or case 2. So here again, on our own fundamental units are given to you. New fundamental units are given to you. That means it is derived units. Okay? And the power of 1 megawatt. This value is given to you. Watt. Watt तो है ना? 1 mega छोड़ दो, भूल जाओ पहले. Watt है. That means it is SI unit, MKS unit. And that is given system is MKS unit. Understood? And we need to convert this into a new unit. System 2 is a unit. Now we understand about this D and this mega. What are these? Now I told you like we are starting chapter 2 not from the starting but the later part. The starting part is just few theories which you need to remember. In those theories, when you will have a book, I will mark it down. But since we are right now not doing a normal class. Okay, so you wherever you're solving this question, just beside that write down this prefix. Okay, now what are those prefix? Okay, we write like kilogram, centimeter, millimeter. पढ़ते हैं ना? वो जो मिली है, meter is a unit. What is milli? What is centi? What is kilo? These are called prefix. So there are few prefix you need to remember. Books में और भी बहुत है, but I have written here only those which are used. Deci. Deci. The symbol is small d. Here we have a small d. That means this is deci. So when this small d will be removed, it becomes 10 to the power minus 1. Similarly, centi, small c, 10 to the power minus 2. Milli, small m, 10 to the power minus 3. Micro, mu. I told you how to write mu like this. Mu. Okay, ऐसा करके ऐसा u घुमा दो. Mu, 10 to the power minus 6. Nano, small n, 10 to the power minus 9. Pico, P-I-C-O, small p, it is small p, 10 to the power minus 12. Now ये हलवा नहीं है, जहाँ पे small बोल रहा हो small लिखना पड़ेगा भैया. You cannot write anything. हाँ n लिखना है, n लिख देते हैं बड़ा वाला. नहीं, small लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay. Fermi, small f, 10 to power minus 15, kilo, small k, 10 to power 3, mega, small capital M, 10 to power 6, deca, da, small d, small a, 10 to power 1. Now, let's study how to remove this. Okay, तुमने सब में पढ़ा है 1 किलोग्राम, कितना ग्राम होता है भाई? 10 to power 3 होता है ना। कैसे आता है ये देखो, किलो है ना, 1 है ना, 1 किलो है। किलो कहां पे भैया? किलो, दिस इज k. That means when this k will remove, we will add 10 to power 3. So 1 k देगा 1 into remove k. In the place of k, how much I will put? 10 to power 3. And what you left with? Gram, g. So from there we get 10 to power 3 gram. Okay, gram is a unit, kilogram is not a unit. Okay, kilo is just a prefix. Are you getting the class? Now this is most common thing you do. But अगर कोई ऐसा लिख दे 1 किलो डेसीमीटर, अब ये कहा कभी जिंदगी में देखा नहीं, अरे बाबा ये कौन सा यूनिट है, कभी देखा ही नहीं. So it's just prefix, kilo decimeter. So let's remove one by one. Okay, let this 5 kilo decimeter. So 5 into kilo हटाओ, you will get 10 to power 3 decimeter. Okay, now what's your job is remove deci. So what if you remove d? Small d is for deci. If you remove d, what you will get? 10 to power minus 1 meter. हो गया. So you get 500 meter. 10 to power 3, 10 to power minus 1 becomes 10 to power 2. So 500 meter. So 5 kilo decimeter is 500 meter. You understand how to remove? Okay, now I'm gonna remove, delete these things. I will be rubbing these parts. So please copy it down. Pause the video, copy it down. Just beside there, in the right hand side. Okay. Now let's go to the question. So in the question also we have two prefix. One is mega, another is deci. Okay. So the power value which is given to you is 1 megawatt. So we write like this: 1 mega, capital M, watt. Watt we know W होता है. So megawatt is not a unit. So remove mega. So 1 into, if you remove M, mega is 10 to power 6. See, copy में लिखे हो जो. Okay, 10 to power 6 watt. Understand? Solving how much we got? 10 to power 6 watt. So this is given to you. We need to convert 10 to power 6 watt into a new system whose fundamental units. We need to, instead of written like this, they would have written directly 10 to power 6 watt to convert करो. तो उन्होंने directly लिखा, थोड़ा क्वेश्चन को घुमाया so that the students should know about prefix also. Okay, that is the main reason of writing in this way. So the question is convert a power of 10 to power 6 watt into a system whose fundamental units are this. Okay, so we are converting 10 to power 6 watt. So what is the unit of power? So find dimension of power. What is power? Work by time. Work is force into distance by time. Force is mass into acceleration into distance by time. Mass is kg, acceleration is meter per second square, distance is meter divided by time is second. Okay, so kg power minus m1, l m1 mm, m square meter square, l square, ये ऊपर जाएगा second minus 3, t minus 3. From there a we got power of m, b power of l, c power of t. Then now my job is to write two columns, system 1, system 2. System 1 जो given है 10 to power 6 watt. It is NK system. Done. NK system का वैल्यू लिख दो. 1 kg, 1 meter, 1 second. We know this is. And N1 is how much? कितने को convert कर रहे हैं हम? 10 to power 6 को. So we'll have 10 to power 6 है. You understand class? System 2 किस पे convert करना है? Fundamental units खुद से लिखा हुआ है. मतलब new system. Okay. So what is M2? 10 kg. What is L2? 1 decimeter. What is T2? 1 minute. And N2 we need to calculate. Okay. Now substitute in the formula. Which formula? I forgot to write one step. यहाँ पे एक step लिख देना. हाँ class. We know what is N2? N1 M1 by M2 whole to power A, L1 by L2 whole to power B, T1 by T2 whole to power C. So substitute these values here in the formula. Substitute कर दिया. N1 is 10 to power 6. M1 1 kg by 10. माशाल्लाह. 1 kg by 10 kg whole to power A. A is 1. M1 1 meter by 1 decimeter power whole to power 2. Okay. B is 2. C. Okay. 1 second by 1 minute power C 10 to power. Sorry. What is power? Minus 3. Now यहाँ तो कोई पंगा ही नहीं है. 10 kg कर दिया. No need of conversion. We need to convert here. We need to convert here. So before conversion, 10 to power 6 into 1 by 10 होल टू पावर 1 इज 1/10 आ जाएगा इनटू मीटर बड़ा है कि डेसीमीटर बड़ा है, तो तुम सोचो अच्छे से। अब 1 डेसीमीटर, जब डेसी हटता है तो 10 टू पावर -1 आता है मीटर। अब बताओ कौन बड़ा है, डेसीमीटर बड़ा है कि मीटर बड़ा है? यहां से क्या दिख रहा है? अगर यहां भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो ध्यान से देखो, 1 डेसीमीटर 10 टू 1/10 ऑफ मीटर, 1/10 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, 1/10, 10 टू -1 goes to each denominator 1/10. So 1 decimeter is 1/10 part of meter. That is what? Meter is more ना? मीटर को 10 भागों में तोड़ो तो एक छोटा सा भाग जो आएगा that is decimeter. That is meter is more. So out of meter and decimeter, which is bigger unit? Meter is bigger unit. So you need to convert meter into decimeter. Understand? You cannot convert decimeter into meter. I told you we need to convert into smaller units. तो smaller units decimeter है, तो मुझे 1 मीटर को डेसीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा। So 1 डेसीमीटर is 1/10 मीटर, तो 10 इधर जाएगा। So what is 1 मीटर? 10 डेसीमीटर। So कन्वर्ट करते हैं। So 1 मीटर is 10 डेसीमीटर by 1 डेसीमीटर whole square. Not decimeter, decimeter will cancel out. Understand? Now सेकेंड एंड मिनट, कौन बड़ा है भाई? मिनट, तो उसको सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करो, छोटे यूनिट्स में, सेकेंड विल कन्वर्ट। ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू सॉल्व। Clear class? So after solving everything, this will cancel out, becomes 10 to the power 5 into 10 square, 10 whole square into ये आएगा 1/60 whole to the power 3 whole to the power -3 1/60, ये -3 इधर पावर में चला जाएगा। ठीक है ना, ये ऊपर जब जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 10 to the power 5 6 7 into 60 whole to the power 3 ऐसा आ जाएगा। Understood? ओके, तो 6 into 6 36 into 6 आई डोंट नो, तुम सॉल्व करना, मैं डायरेक्टली बुक से आंसर लिख रहा हूं बेटा, ठीक है ना। मैं आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम इन एडिंग सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, दैट माय एडिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन इज द वर्स्ट पार्ट। ओके, सो कितना आएगा? कहां गया रे? हाँ, 216 विल गेट, ओके, इनटू 10 to the power 7, यहाँ पे 3 पावर है तो 10 to the power 10 आएगा। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? 216 10 to the power 10, right? Okay, now ये जो वैल्यू आया वो किसका आया? n2 का आया ना, but how to write the answer? So finally the answer will be therefore n1 u1. What is n1? Given to you 10 to the power 6 watt. n1 u1 equals to n2. What is n2? 216 into 10 to the power 10 u2. Now u2 is a new system ना, new system तो we don't know यूनिट को क्या बोलेंगे, तो सिंपली क्या लिखोगे? यूनिट्स, खत्म हो गया। ओके, और यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस 10 to the power 6 watt equals to 216 10 to the power 10, ठीक है ना। अब यूनिट्स की जगह क्या लिखोगे? तो इधर देखो तो क्या है? केजी, जीएम, मीटर, तो डाल दो इधर MLT, एम की जगह केजी, एल की जगह डीएम, सो डीएम स्क्वायर, और टाइम की जगह मिनट टू द पावर -3. Okay, so but I will say you don't prefer this method, use the simple one. The units which is derived units, that is a new unit, वहां पे तुम सिंपली यूनिट लिखो ना, हो गया। क्यों पंगे लेना, ये सब टेंशन वाला काम क्यों करना? ओके, गलती हो जाएगा, फालतू मार्क्स कर जाएगा, बेटर टू गो फॉर दिस वन। ओके क्लास, ओके, सो यू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द 4 solutions nicely. Now, how we will do in this same video one last question, which is actually wonder of world. Huh? Okay, now see question number 5. Okay, question number 5, 6, and 7. These are the few questions of this type 1, which are actually wonder of the world. Why I say wonder of the world? Because from these questions we won't able to understand only that this question is a type 1 question, क्योंकि वो उस टाइप का होता ही नहीं है। टाइप 1 क्वेश्चन कैसा होता है? कुछ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का वैल्यू किसी सिस्टम में दिया हुआ है, आई एम नीड टू कैलकुलेट दैट वैल्यू इन सम अदर सिस्टम, राइट? बट लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, इफ द यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स, एनर्जी एंड वेलोसिटी आर 10 न्यूटन, 100 जूल एंड 5 मीटर पर सेकंड, फाइंड द यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ, मास एंड टाइम। Next, question number 6. If the units of force were kilonewton, time is millisecond, and power is kilowatt, what will be the unit of mass and length. Okay, I have written the answer for the first question, 10 meter 4 kg 2 second. Answer for the second question, 1 kg 10 to the minus 3 meter. Okay, seventh question, if velocity of light is taken as the unit of velocity and an year ek saal is taken as the unit of time, what is the unit of length and what is it called? Answer is 9.46 10 to the 5 meter 1 light year. Okay, this is the answer. क्वेश्चन मैं यहाँ क्यों लगाया है? ओके, नाउ 3 क्वेश्चन तो है बोर्ड में, लेकिन 3 नहीं सॉल्व करूंगा मैं, सिर्फ 1 करूंगा, ठीक है? बाकी तो तुम्हारा होमवर्क है, तो कौन सा करूंगा? अक्कर बक्कर बम्बे बो 80 90 पूरे 100 में लगा, ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 सॉल्व करूंगा, ठीक है? So we will solve the question number 6. Now, first of all, try to understand why these questions are different of what we solved earlier. Okay, in the early questions, we have one physical quantity, either force or energy. I'm going to convert this into another, and same physical quantity is converting into different system. यहाँ पे देखो 6, all three are same. I'm talking about 6. Here we are dealing with 3 physical quantities: force, time, power. और निकालना क्या है? फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज, मास, लेंथ. फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी निकालना है क्लास. तो तीनों क्वेश्चन में देखो तो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज निकालना है. द एक्चुअल फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी, लेंथ, मास, टाइम. मास एंड लेंथ. यहां पे क्या निकालना है? व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ? लेंथ निकालना है. So unit of fundamental quantities they ask. So these questions are done in a different way. Okay, you understand the type of question, you understand how to catch and how to understand this is that type wonder of the world. Here in this different physical quantities values are given to you. यहाँ पे देखो फोर्स का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है किलोन्यूटन, टाइम का वैल्यू दिया है 1 मिलीसेकंड, पावर का वैल्यू दिया है किलोवाट. Okay, physical quantities values are given to you and they ask you unit of fundamental quantities. So try to understand this term. Units of fundamental quantities they will ask you. तो क्या करेंगे? जो वैल्यू दिया लिखो उसको. व्हाट इज फोर्स? किलोन्यूटन. वैल्यू कुछ नहीं है, मतलब 1 किलोमीटर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, फोर्स का डायमेंशन लिखो. मास इनटू एक्सीलरेशन. मास, एक्सीलरेशन. मास इज केजी, एक्सीलरेशन इज मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. दिस इज किलोन्यूटन. किलोन्यूटन इज नॉट एसआई यूनिट. किलो को हटाओ, 10 to power 3. ओके, नाउ इसको 10 to power 3 लिख सकते हैं ना, 10 to power 3 न्यूटन. तो ऐसा ही सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट किया मैंने. Okay, this is equation number 2. Understand class? Now, next is power. ठीक है ना? अब पावर का यूनिट निकालते हैं. फिर पावर क्या है भैया? पावर का मुझे तो फॉर्मूला याद भी नहीं है. पावर इज व्हाट? वर्क बाय टाइम. व्हाट इज वर्क? फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम. व्हाट इज फोर्स? मास इनटू एक्सीलरेशन. ओके, सो मास इज केजी, एक्सीलरेशन मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर इनटू डिस्टेंस इज मीटर, होल डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम इज सेकंड. सो हाउ मच विल गेट पावर का? Now this power value how much is given to you? Class, what how much power value is given to you? कितना दिया है? Kilowatt, right? तो kilowatt is not an SI unit. Understand what I'm saying? So power का जो भी वैल्यू दिया हुआ है वो है किलोवाट. तो किलोवाट को हटाओ, 10 to power 3 वाट लिखो. Clear? Now power का डायमेंशन लिखिए. What is power dimension? M1 L2 T minus 3 equals to 10 to power 3. This is equation number 2. So these questions you have to do in this order. Whatever the physical quantity is given to you, write those physical quantities into fundamental quantities. MLT, MLT. वहां से इक्वेशन निकलेगा. किलो और किलो को क्यों हटाया? Because I want my answers in SI unit. ताकि लास्ट में मुझे आंसर्स SI unit में मिले. So I'm converting everything into SI unit. Okay? Next one is given to you. Time is millisecond. So time is what? T. Dimension is T. Millisecond. 10 to power minus 3 seconds. Equation 3. Milli को हटा दो, 10 to minus 3. So now we got 3 equations. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So every question you will get like this 3 equations. How we get? Whichever physical quantities values are given to you, write down the dimensions of the physical quantities, that is equals to the value. So we got 3 equations in terms of MLT, MLT, T. Now your job is to, what you need to find? Mass and length. मतलब क्या करना है? इन 3 equation को solve करो, मास और लेंथ का वैल्यू निकालो, बस इतना ही करना है. समझा? 3 इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करो. सॉल्व मतलब क्या? You can, whenever I say solve the equation, that means you can do 4 things. add the equations, subtract the equations, divide the equations, multiply the equations. Okay, out of these four which one you will do, that is your discretion ना, वो तो तुम्हें डिसाइड करना है तुम क्या करोगे. तो तुम्हें जो भी तुम्हें लग रहा है तुम्हें करना है तुम वो करोगे. So we need to either add these equations or we need to divide these equations. That's your job. That's not my thinking. Okay class, so let's see what to do. तो क्या करेंगे, तो थोड़ा ध्यान से लिखते हैं, साइड साइड लिखते हैं, पास पास. m1 l1 t minus 2 is 10 to the power 3. m1 l2 t minus 3 equals to 10 to the power 3 and t equals to 10 to the power minus 3. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. मुझे इन तीनों इक्वेशन के साथ क्या निकालना है, मास और लेंथ का वैल्यू निकालना है. ओके, सो व्हाट टू डू विद दिस इक्वेशन. इफ आई ऐड इक्वेशन 1 and 2 कुछ नहीं होगा, बट इफ आई डिवाइड, देखो mm कट जाएगा ना, इफ आई डिवाइड t और l आ जाएगा. t क्या है तो पता है. सो व्हाट वी डू, वी विल डिवाइड 1 and 2. ओके, डिवाइड दोनों को मैं डिवाइड मार दूंगा, mm कट जाएगा, वी कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ लेंथ. ओके क्लास, सो m1 l1 t minus 2 LHS divided by LHS, m1 l2 t minus 3, 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power 3, 1. mm कट गया. Understood? So L1 L2 L minus 1 1 minus 2 t minus 2 plus 3 1 equals to 1. ठीक है? Understood? ना यहां से मुझे क्या निकालना है भैया, L निकालना है. कैसे निकालूंगा मैं L, सोचो तो क्या करूं मैं, L निकल जाए तो see what is L2, what is L2 minus L, कैसे, t by L equals to 1. Clear class? तो what is L, L is क्या, t, L t की वैल्यू. व्हाट इज t, t का वैल्यू पता है मेरे को, सब्स्टिट्यूट है. सो 10 टू द पावर माइनस 3 हो गया. अगेन नाउ 10 टू द माइनस 3 क्या यूनिट क्या होगा. सो सी इनिशियली व्हाट आई हैव कन्वर्टेड, आई कन्वर्टेड माय वैल्यू इनटू एसआई यूनिट ना, न्यूटन, वॉट, सेकंड, मिली सेकंड था, आई हैव कन्वर्टेड इनटू सेकंड, दैट इज एसआई यूनिट. किलोवाट था, आई हैव कन्वर्टेड इनटू वॉट, व्हाट इज एसआई यूनिट. दैट मींस these values I have used here to solve. That means the length will also come in SI unit. So what is the SI unit of length? Meter. Sir, 10 to minus 3 meter is the answer. Okay. Now L तो निकल गया, मुझे क्या चाहिए, मास. अब तो बहुत इजी है, L पता है, T पता है, कोई भी इक्वेशन में डाल दो. Either use this equation, substitute the value of L, substitute the value of T, get M, or you can use this equation, any equation. So that I am using from equation 1. It's not necessary that equation 1 use करना है, you can go for equation 2 also plus. So m1 L1, what is L, 10 to the power minus 3 into T2, T2 minus 2, what is T, 10 to the power minus 3 whole to the power, T is 10 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 2 equals to 10 to the power 3. ये समझ में आया, T to the power minus 2, T is 10 to the power minus 3. So थोड़ा सॉल्व करते हैं. m1 T to the power minus 3 into T to the power 6 minus 3 minus 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 plus 3 to the 6 equals to 10 to the power 3. इसको सॉल्व करो, ये कितना हो जाएगा, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 3 आ जाएगा, 6 plus minus 3 3 equals to 10 to the power 3. कट गया नहीं, m कितना आ गया, 1. 1 क्या, कौन सा यूनिट. So we are solving in SI units. तो in SI unit 1 is kg, mass is in kg. Okay class, so for you I am keeping question number 5 and 7 as a homework. Okay, thank you very much class. Please study. Thank you.